I will show you. I show you all and see Rabindranath Delhi and here my Gurudev and here at my youngest photo is Mr. Maharaji. Now to show this culprit and why to mention where mention who are their parents and grandmother's influence misleading. To be enforcer, grabber, catcher, other, ladies, babies, to throw, rape, beat, and apply beastized nature. So like carnivorous, their animals to do habitual nature, like following their mentality to do torture, to show dominance, to show superior, fascism or satanism, evil, devil, self-giants, and etc. Stupidity and the crime with a crooked mentality. And that is has become the scientific base. Imposter doism, tricks doism, and dominance coming. Even they are physically, they may be very weaker in the number, in the force, but going to the undersea peoples are doing lots of. For them, there is no obligation of following God's law or to learn the God if it is there and his messengers actually my king or Sage if informed and taught laws and mentioned norms and rules unless if they are not following those and to avoid sin and wrongdoing. So they may be punished in this earth tolling and suffer ill fate and God may jump Yama to push help-sending, pushing, help, but they are not to help others. They do only torture, even to kill. It is the sea, to loot the rest. They are not helping, rescuing, protecting. They are only to kill, eat, harm, to show fairness of the other creatures, a human, to snatch others' collected foods, kill the items, just like this. When they are in number, in majority, but body physically they are weak, muscle power-wise, so they have to ask that republicanism, that mass vote, base to get governance, ruling, judicial force, etc. There is no, there are no obligation of law following and learning of law meaning and implementation of law, but just remain as a messenger. And they have no law sense, but when they will be in minority, they will quote these laws, because in that sense they have to learn the laws, meaning and etc.